children, already previous class we have discussed the linear equation one variable, what is a variable, what is constant and everything. Degree of any linear equation is 1, that is called. Here first exercise already over 2.1 exercise and 2.2 also started, that is the first problem over. Next question, what are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is here what is given as sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 58 is given. Okay, here one number, let one number is x, other number means that is second number, that is 58 minus x. Here two numbers is there, one number is x, another number is 58 minus x. Here difference of two numbers. Here difference of two numbers equal to, that is 28 is given. Here difference means one number is 58 minus x, another number is x. Therefore difference here x minus of bracket 58 minus x equal to, that is difference is how much, that is 28. Okay, here this minus this or this minus this, anything your side, that is here x multiplied with minus 58 minus into minus, that is plus x equal to 28. Here x here quotient is 1, therefore x plus x, that is 2x minus 58 equal to 28. Here 28 and 58 both are constant. Constants are changing to one side, that is 2x equal to 28 plus 50. This minus 58 is changed that side. Here 2x equal to, that is 28 plus 58, that is 50 plus 20, that is 70. 8 plus 8 is 16, therefore 86. Here x equal to, that is 86 by 2. Here 2 4s, 2 3s, therefore x equal to 43. Here x means one number, therefore one number x equal to 43. Next other number equal to what? That is 58 minus x. 58 minus x value, that is 43, that equal to how much? 15. Here one more time, see here what are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28. Sum of two numbers, that is 58, therefore one number is x, another number is 58 minus x. Here difference also given, difference of two numbers is, that is 28. Okay, here difference means x minus of 58 minus x equal to 28. X multiplied to minus into plus, that is minus 58, minus into minus, that is plus x equal to 28. X plus x, that is 2x minus 58 equal to 28. 2x equal to 28 plus 58, 2x equal to 86. Therefore x equal to 2 is changed, that is by 86 by 2. Here 2 43 times, therefore x equal to 43. One number is, that is x equal to 43, other number equal to 58 minus x, that is 58 minus 43, that equal to 15. Okay, next question. Next fourth question. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Here the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Generally odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Here difference of these Here consecutive numbers, therefore 1 after 3, 3 after 5, here odd numbers. Okay, here difference of these two numbers is how much? That is 2 only. Here difference also, difference of two consecutive odd numbers, that equal to 2 only. Okay, here let two consecutive odd numbers, that is one is x, another one is x plus 2. Okay, one is x, next number is x plus 2. Here sum of two consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, write down consecutive odd numbers equal to 56. Here you know two numbers, that is x and x plus 2. One number is x, another number is x plus 2 equal to 56. X plus x, that is 2x plus 2 equal to 56. These two is changing the side, that is 2x equal to 56 minus 2. Here 2x equal to 56 minus 2, that equal to 54. Therefore x equal to 54 by 2. Here 227 times. Therefore x equal to 27. Therefore one number equal to 27. Next number, other number that equal to x plus 2. Here x equal to how much? 27. 27 plus 2, that equal to 29. The numbers are 27 and 29. One more time, see. Here two consecutive odd numbers, difference of two consecutive odd numbers is, that is 2. Here let two consecutive odd numbers, that is one number is x, another number is x plus 2. Here sum is given, sum of two odd numbers, that is 56 is given. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is, that is 56. Here one number is x, another number is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 56. X plus x, that is 2x plus 2 equal to 56. This 2 is changed the side. 2x equal to 56 minus 2. 2x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 2, that is 27. Therefore x equal to 27, you get one number equal to 27, other number equal to x plus 2, that is 27 plus 2, that equal to 29. Therefore the numbers are 27 and 29. Okay, next question. Next, fifth question. Here sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 7,777. Then find these multiples. Here see, here sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find those numbers, find these multiples, whatever it may be. Therefore here consecutive multiples of 7 means one number you take x. First multiples of 7 you know. First number is 7, next number is 14, next one is 21 or 28, you know 7 table. Therefore that one. Here first number you take x. Next number is what? X plus 7. Next number is what? X plus 14. Therefore, let three consecutive multiples of 7 are x, x plus 7, x plus 14. Here three numbers, x, x plus 7, x plus 14. Here sum is given. Therefore, sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 equal to triple 7. Let me take 3 multiples of 7 equal to x. Next number is x plus 7. Next number is x plus 14 equal to triple 7. Here x is there, here also x, here also x. 3 x variables is there, therefore x plus x that equal to 3x. Here 7 plus 14 that is 21 equal to 7, 7, 7. This 21 is changing the side of 3x equal to triple 7 minus 21. Therefore 3x equal to, therefore here subtraction 7 minus 1 that is 6. Here 7 minus 2 that is 5. 756. Therefore x equal to 756 by 3. Here check. Here 3 2s. Here 7 minus 6 that is 1 is there, 1 and 5 that is 15. 3 5s, 3 2s. Therefore x equal to 252. X equal to 252. Therefore x equal to 252. Next number is what? That is x plus 7. X plus 7 that equal to 252 plus 7 that equal to 259. Next x plus 14 that equal to 252 plus 14 that equal to 266. Therefore the three consecutive multiples of 7 are here 252, next number is 259 and 266. One more time, you see here, let the three consecutive multiples of 7 are, one number is x, next number is what? X plus 7, next number is what? X plus 14. Here sum of three consecutive numbers is given, that is how much is given, that is 777 is given. Okay, here sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 equal to 777. Therefore x plus 7 plus x plus 14 equal to 777. Here x that is 3x plus 21 equal to 777. This 21 is changing to that side, 3x equal to 777 minus 21 that equal to 777 minus 21 that equal to 756. Therefore 3x equal to 756. X equal to 756 by 3. 3 2 ja, 1 5, 3 5 ja. Next 3 2, that is x equal to 252. Here x equal to 252. Therefore x plus 7 that is 252 plus 7 that equal to 259. X plus 14 that is 252 plus 14 that equal to 266. The consecutive multiples of 7 are 252, 259 and 266. Next question. Here a man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus. As far as twice by the train. If whole journey is 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train. Here see, a man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train, then by bus, as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train? Therefore, let the person travel distance by train, that is x kilometers, then by bus, that is twice by train, therefore 2x. Therefore, total journey is 70 kilometers. Therefore, a man travels by walk, that is equal to 10 kilometers. A man travels by train, that is equal to x kilometers. A man travels by bus. Here how much is given, that is twice by train, therefore twice means that is 2x kilometers. Total journey equal to how much, that is 70 kilometers. Total journey means that is 70 kilometers. Therefore total journey means by train, add the sum of these three. Therefore 10 plus x plus 2x equal to 70 kilometers. Here x plus 2x, that equal to 3x. This 10 is transpose that side, therefore 70 minus 10. Here 3x equal to, that is 60.
Solution.
Here x equal to, that is 60 by 3, 320. Therefore x equal to 20. Therefore x means what? Man travels by train. A man travels by train, that equal to 20 kilometers. Suppose you are asking by bus also, therefore man travels by bus, that equal to 2x, therefore 2 into 20, that equal to 40 kilometers. That is correct or not? 40 plus 20 plus 10, total 70 kilometers. Here see, here total the person travel distance, that is 70 kilometers. Therefore by walk, therefore that is 10 kilometers. By bus, that is 2x. By train, that is x kilometers. Total distance equal to how much, that is travel, that is 70 kilometers. Therefore add these three. Therefore 10 plus x plus 2x equal to 70. 3x equal to 70 minus 10. Therefore 3x equal to 60. Therefore x equal to 60 by 3, 326 equal to 20. Man travels by train, that equal to 20 kilometers. Man travels by bus, that equal to 2x. 2 into 20, that equal to 40 kilometers. Man travels by bus is asking here. By train, that equal to 20 kilometers. By bus, that equal to 40 kilometers. Next one, here one rectangle. Here question number 8. Here I read the question. The distance around a rectangle field is, that is 400 meters. The distance around a rectangle field, rectangular field, that equal to 400 meters. Next, the length of the field is 26 meters more than its breadth. Length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. Here asking calculate the length and breadth. Here the distance around a rectangle filled with, that is a perimeter of the rectangle is given. That is a perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle or rectangular field, that is equal to 400 meters. Next here what is given? Here length of the field is 26 meters more than the let breadth equal to take x meters. Let breadth of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle, that equal to x meters. Next one is what is given? Length of the rectangle, length of the rectangle, length of the rectangle or rectangular field, that is 26 meters more than its breadth, therefore that equal to x plus 26 meters. You know formula, that is the perimeter of the rectangle. This one is x plus 26 meters. What is perimeter of rectangle formula? Perimeter of rectangle, rectangle, that equal to 2 into L plus B. Here you know x value and x, therefore 2 into length equal, that is x plus 26. Here breadth equal, that is x. Here that equal total equal how much? That is 400. This 2 is changed this side, that is by. Here x plus x, that is 2x plus 26 into 2 equal to, that is 400. Or this 2 is multiplied or total this 2 is changed this side, anything your side, that is 2x plus 26 equal to 400 by 2, that is 200. Therefore 2x plus 26 equal to 200. Here this 26 is changed that side, that is 2x equal to 200 minus 26. Therefore 2x equal to 200 minus 26, that equal to how much? That is 174. Therefore x equal to 174 by 2. 2 8 7. Therefore x equal to 87. Here x is what? That is a length, that is breadth. Therefore this is a breadth, breadth of the rectangle. Therefore length equal to how much? That is x plus 26. X plus 26, that is x means 87 plus 26. Therefore that is 113 meters. That is equal to compass or write units. That is here meters is given. Here length and breadth also write meters. Breadth here meters write down. One more time see. Here the distance around a rectangle field is 400 meters is given. The length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. Here perimeter of the rectangle is given, that is 400 meters. The breadth of the rectangle x meters. Length of the rectangle, that is equal to x plus 26 meters. Here perimeter of the rectangle, that is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here substitute L value and B value. 2 into x plus 26 plus x equal to 400. Therefore 2 into x plus x, that is 2x plus 26. Therefore here this 2 is changed, that is by 2x plus 26 equal to 400 by 2, that is 200. 2x plus 26 equal to 200. Therefore 2x equal to 200 minus 26. Therefore 2x equal to, here 200 minus 26, that is 174. Therefore x equal to 174 by 2, that is 87. Therefore x equal to 87 meters breadth. Therefore length equal to x plus 26. 87 plus 26, that is 113 meters. Okay, understood? Next question. Here 11th question. Two complementary angles two complementary angles differ by 12. Find the angles. Here, two complementary angles differ by 12. Find the angles. You know complementary angles. What is complementary angles? Sum of any two angles equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. That is learned in 7th class. That is complementary angles. Sum of any two angles equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Let the angles are one angle is x, another angle equal to x plus 12 degrees. Okay, one angle is x, another angle is x plus 12 degrees. Here difference of these two equal to how much? X plus 12 minus x, that equal to 12. Here what is given? Difference of two complementary angles. Difference of two complementary angles is given. Therefore, no need to solve step. Here, first complementary angle is sum of two angles. Sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Complementary angles. Sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Here x plus 12. X plus 12 degrees equal to, that is 90 degrees. Here x plus x, that is equal to 2x degrees plus 12 degrees equal to, that is 90 degrees. Here this 12 is changing that side, therefore 2x degrees equal to 90 minus 12. Here 2x degrees equal to 90 minus that equal to 78 degrees. Here x degrees equal to 78 degrees by 2. Here 239 times. Therefore x equal to 39 degrees. Therefore one angle equal to 39 degrees. Next other angle that equal to x plus 12 degrees, that equal to 39 degrees plus 12, that equal to 51 degrees. The angles are 39 degrees and 51 degrees. Here see, here two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Let the angles are x and x plus 12. Here sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Sum means that is x plus 12. X plus 12 equal to 90 degrees. Therefore x plus x, that is 2x plus 12 equal to 90 degrees. Here this 12 is changing the side, 90 minus 12. Therefore 2x, here 90 minus 12, that equal to 78 degrees. Therefore x equal to 78 by 2 to 39 degrees. Therefore x equal to 39 degrees. One angle equal to 39 degrees, other angle equal to x plus 12. Therefore x means that is 39 plus 12, that equal to 51 degrees. The angles are 51 and 39 degrees. Next start 2.3 exercise. Exercise 2.3. That is first question. Here solve the following. Solve means that is which variable is that one find out thing. Therefore first question is 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Next second one, 5x minus 12 equal to, that is 2x minus 6. Here see, Here 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Here variable x is there, here also variable x. Variables are changing to one side, remaining are changing to. Here this 2x is changing this side. Therefore 7x minus 2x equal to this minus 5 is changed, that is 5. Here 7x minus 2x, that equal to 5x equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5 by 5. 5 ones, 5 ones. Therefore x equal to 1. Here substitution 7 into 1, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Here 2 into 1, that is also 2 equal to 2. Okay. Here 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Here variable is there. Here also variables are changing to one side, remaining is changing to one side. Here 7x, this 2x is changing this side, that is minus 2x. This minus 5x is equal to 7x minus 2x, that is 5x equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5 by 5. Therefore x equal to 1. Here also same, 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. Here also variable x is there, here also x variable. Therefore 5x, this minus, this 2x is changed, this that is minus 2x equal to, here minus 6, this minus 12 is changed, that is plus 12. Here 5x minus 2x, that is 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12, that is 6. X equal to 6 by 3. 3 2 ja, therefore x equal to 2. Here check one more time. Here 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. Here this variable x is there, here also variable x changing this side. 5x minus 2x equal to minus 6. This minus plus 12. 3x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 3. 3 to x equal to, that is 2. Next question. Here fifth one. Here 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4. Next eighth question. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Here see this one. Here 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4. Here z variable is there, here also z variables are changing to one side. 7z, this 2z is changing to minus 2z equal to 4. This 13 is changed minus 13. Here 7z minus 2z, that is 5z. Here 4 minus 13, that equal to minus 9. Therefore z equal to minus 9. This 5 is changed, that is by 5. Z equal to minus 9 by 5. Here one more time, see. Here variable z is there, here also variable z. Z variables are changed. 7z minus 2z equal to 4 minus 13. 5z equal to minus 9. Z equal to minus 9 by 5. Therefore here multiply to 3 into t. 3t. Here 3 into minus, that is 3 into 3. That equal to here also 5 into 2t. 2t minus 5 into minus 1, that is 5 into 1. Here 3t. Here 3 into 3, that is 9 equal to 5 into 2, that is 10t, that is minus 5. Here variable is there, here also variable. Variables are changing to one side. This 3t. Here this minus 10t change this side. Minus 10t equal to minus 5. This 5 plus 9. Here 3t minus 10t, that is minus 7t equal to minus 5 plus 9, that equal to 4. T equal to, that is 4 by minus 7. Numerator or denominator, anyone minus total, that number is minus only. Here one more time, see. Here multiplication is given. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 3. Here multiply each element. Therefore 3 into t, 3t. 3 into 3. Here 5 into 2t. 5 into minus 1. Therefore 3 into 3t minus 3 into 3. 9 equal to 10 into 10t minus 5. 3t. Here variables t is there. Change into this side. 3t minus 10t equal to minus 5. This minus 9 plus 9. Therefore 3t minus, that is minus 7t equal to 4. T equal to 4 by 7 minus 7. Numerator, denominator, any one number minus total number is minus only, minus 4 by 7 t equal to. Okay. Here, 10th problem. 5 into z plus 3 equal to 4 into 2z plus 1. Here also multiplication. 5 into z, that is 5z. Here 5 into 3. 5 into 3 equal to 4 into 2z plus 4 into 1. Here 5 into z, that is 5z only. Here 5 into 3, that is 15 equal to 4 into 2, that is 8z. Here that is a 4. Here variable z is there, here also variable z. Change it to one side. Therefore 5z minus 8z equal to 4 minus 15. Here 8z minus 5z minus 8z, that is minus 3z. Here 4 minus 15, that is minus 11. Here both are minus sign is there. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore 3z equal to 11. Therefore z equal to 11 by 3. Here one more time you see. Here 5 into z, that is 5z plus 5 into 3, that is 15. Here 4 into 2, that is 8z. 4 into 1, that is 4. Here variable is there, here also variable. Variables are changing to one side. This 8z is changing this side. 5z minus 8z equal to 4 minus 15. Here 5z minus 8z, that is minus 3z. Here 4 minus 15, that is minus 11. Here minus minus get cancelled. 3z equal to 11. Therefore z equal to this 3 changes, that is 11 by 3. Okay, thank you.